So let's say one of the staff already resigned. Then first you need to come to the catalog, and then you click in, you find the email from this user, and then you uninstall the applets, and then you delete the user from catalog. So you have two steps. One is uninstall the applets, and then remove the user from this user list. Okay, when you click in, actually you also can see which applets they didn't install. I think maybe I can use another email. For example, I use Honey. You see, she didn't install this statement of account applet from this catalog to her account. So you also can help her to add this applet to her account. So once he refresh the page, actually she can see the statement of account. Okay, if you want to install the applets for them. Okay, or they also can go to their applet store and install the applets by themselves. Okay, so you also can help them to manage it.
Means I click Honey, and then these are all the installed applet lah. Then how where to help her add the applet?
Okay, this is all the installed applets. You can see from here this add button, right? Yeah. Once you click, you can see the applets that she didn't install. You can see she only have a statement of account that she didn't install. So let's say you added new applet to the catalog. After you add the new applet to the catalog, let's say you want to install the applets for some of the email manually by yourself, then you can click into that email and you click add, then you can see the applet that you newly added. Okay, so you can tick and then you can add this applet for her. So once you add, then the statement of account will be here. Then she can refresh her own account, and then once she refresh, then she can see this statement of account already installed.
Okay, so if I want to remove, I just tick and then uninstall lah.
Yeah, you can tick and uninstall it.
Okay.
Okay, so this catalog management is the first step that you giving the permission, like which user can install or which user can access to which modules or which applets. So